So we just went to Harvey Norman and we got the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. We got this because we actually don't have any underwater camera actually. So we've got a drone and our phones and a proper camera, but not an underwater one. So at Harvey Norman we got that, and we got the water bundle. So it gives us a aqua case, a little stick thing, something for us to adapt it onto the car, and then another adapter set so we can stick that onto anything else really, maybe Diego's harness, the caravan, what else we can really think of. So yeah, we'll open this up and show you guys.
So we also got product care for it. So we got 12-month warranty with GoPro, but then we got another year warranty with Harvey Norman. So if anything goes wrong with it, the battery dies really quick, or it gets the lens broken or something, we can take it back to them and get a brand new one.
Yeah, so with this one, the Hero 7 comes in a silver or a black option. Even though it's black, it's actually the silver. But you can't actually take this one's battery out. So if it does start to die, yeah, you just have to take it back to Harvey Norman and use our product care. So yeah, we just bought that as an extra $25, so we thought may as well have 2 years of warranty on it. Also a little tip, when you need to buy your SD card, in Harvey Norman this was probably $120 or something.
Yeah, so in Harvey they have like a really high-end brand, and they charge you around $100 for a 64 gigabyte SD card. We went to Big W and this was $20, so it might not be as good quality. Same size card, for a quarter of the price.
Yeah, and we have used Big W SD cards in the drone.
In the drone.
So it's not terrible quality. I definitely don't think you need to be spending the extra money on that. Yeah, we use it in the drone and it's fine. So I'll open this up and show you guys.
So we mainly got the GoPro for, we're doing a bit of snorkeling on the Whitsundays and wanted to film that for you guys. And then we also wanted to get it for the car and the caravan. If we do any like off-road tracks or cool driving, we want to film it and put it in our videos. And
not like film everything on our phones. Even though we do have good quality phones, it just gets a bit annoying and you don't want your phone damaged. So this is the kit. Comes in a solid case, hey? So...
oh, leather.
Yeah. It's strong though. Cute. So this is our little GoPro stick.
Yep, so that's also buoyant. So you can chuck your GoPro in the water and it will float to the top. Yeah.
That obviously is the hook for in the car.
For the adapter, put that onto your GoPro and you can adapt it to these little
pieces.
Kits here.
So yeah, we'll decide where we want to clip them and maybe tell you guys where we think is best. This is I think this is a little like repair thing. I don't know, looks like a little, sinks. These things are so deep. Yeah, I think, so when you take this out to put your GoPro in, I think it's just a little tool you use. And same with that one.
It's cool too because you can put your GoPro in here and it's really heavy duty foam.
Sit in there, I'm guessing. And we can maybe put something in here.
Yep.
And this is a little water strap, so when we take it underwater as well, we can strap it on.
And then we've got the SIM card and the actual GoPro, so I'll do that now.
So we were looking at this one and also the the black version.
Yeah.
But it's actually white coloured. So the only real difference was one, the price tag. It was almost double this one, and two, the batteries in the other one you can actually remove. So if you are doing something where you want to film for more than an hour and a half, you'd probably go that one. So if you're doing a whole day where you want to film the whole day, it'd be better to go that one because you can charge another separate battery and swap it in. You can't with this one, but so two extra
your charger
clips.
cord, you got 2 extra clips again, and then you've got your, so here's the GoPro. So it's got a little case around it, little rubber case.
Yeah. Oh, another thing with these ones, a lot of you might see those white sort of chunky clear cases people put over them to protect them. This one can't actually fit that because the lens already has a case, but it doesn't really matter because this one can go, I think he said 10 meters deep.
It's 10 meters,
so
10 meters underwater.
yeah. Now the cool thing is it's voice activated, so we'll have to try that out and get it charged and set up. But yeah, it's just a new little toy we bought, so we thought we'd show you guys.
We'll get it set up and do a bit of filming on it. Hey guys, cooking up some dinner. Got sweet potato chips over here, and then Monique's cooking up a storm over here. We got chicken, onion, mushroom, broccolini, garlic. Yeah.
Looks good. Hey guys, on our way to the Cedar Creek Falls.
Yeah, it's just 20 minutes from where we're staying in Cannonvale near Airlie Beach.
Yeah.
And yeah, just a little waterfall and a little swimming hole. So go check it out and see what it's like.
We can bring Diego, he just has to stay on a lead, so he gets to come to the falls with us.
Yep.
So,
and we've got the GoPro and the drone, so we're going to try to get some footage.
And we'll show you guys.
down the end of the road, and there's a little car park at the end with a toilet block. And then literally 100 metres from the car park is the swimming hole. There are a few people there. The waterfall wasn't flowing because it's winter. There's been no rain lately.
There was one other dog, but you are so close to the car park, like there is no walk at all. I thought there'd be a little bit more of a walk. But the little track to go up to the top of the waterfall is quite steep, so you don't need to wear like runners or anything, but just be careful because it's literally like vertical. So, and remember you have to go back down. So yeah, that's probably the only thing, is just be mindful of that.
And now we're heading to Wilson's Beach, which is just on the edge of the Conway National Park, about 15 minutes from Cedar Creek Falls, and it's the inlet to the Proserpine River.
Is it dog friendly?
Not sure if it's dog friendly, but it's the inlet to the Proserpine River, so a lot of crocs and fish and all of that go through there.
With the big crocs.
And
hopefully we see a crocodile.
yeah, we'll try to see a few crocs. We don't have a boat, so we can't go fishing.
Yeah, they do like cruises and stuff you can pay for to like go find the crocs, but I think it's like $100 or something like that.
Yeah,
So
like
we thought
an hour or two.
Yeah, so we thought we'd just wait till we get to the Northern Territory because